come here every day for speaking, learning speaking. Because nowadays communication has become one of the most main pillar of the success. But simultaneously, we have to know that a wise man knows when to speak and when to stay silent. Sometimes silence speaks louder than the words. And for proving the same, I will tell you a story, a real village based story. There was a village, namely Harispur. In that village, the village was very beautiful, full from prosperity, serenity, and all. In that village, there lived a family, namely Bimbani family. The family was very rich, a prosper family. They lived their life in a very good way, glamorous, prosperous, and they used to live their life comfortably. By God's grace, they had everything. Also, they had 5 children, and all 5 were sons. Their names were Sohan, Mohan, Madan, Prem, and Gulshan. The only problem was the all children had a lisp problem. They face problem while speaking in Hindi Totlana. As time went by, all grew up in a well manner. Now they reached around the age of 25. They have attained the age of 25, and 25 is the sufficient age for marriage. So their parents, Ramesh Bimbani and Sunita Bimbani, decided to arrange their marriage. They announced in a village that I want to marry my children. Then when many of the relatives has come with the proposals, but none of the relatives agree to solemnize their marriage with their daughters, because they had a problem. Whenever any relatives comes, they just try to disqualify them in regards to marriage because they had a lisp problems. But their parents just try to play a clever game. That is, we know that when ghee does not come out with a straight finger, you have to use a slight bent finger. In Hindi, घी अगर सीधी उंगली से ना निकले तो उंगली को थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करना पड़ता है. तो just try to implement that things. Then they just said to their children that whenever any relatives will come, then no need to speak. We will just handle it. You just give the answer in a you just give the answer after yes or no. Like if you just tell the yes for that and no for this. And the same happened. One of the fathers come with the marriage proposal, and he came. And the same happened that they never speak. Then the father of the girls didn't know that they had a lisp problem. The girl's father did not understand anything by coincidence, and coincidentally he also have 5 daughters. Then they are agreed that your 5 sons and my 5 daughters, we will arrange their marriage. After that, everything was fixed. When the girl's father was about to leave, after saying him to that I will arrange their marriage and we will do marriage with my daughters. Then the fathers of the daughters was about to go, but suddenly a rat passes from this way or that way. Then one of the children, namely Sohan, said, let. They wanted to say rat, but they had a problem. Then the second said Mohan, that hit. They wanted to say hit. And the third was Mohan. He said bell. It means he wanted to say where. And the fourth said that baat mother tout. It means what was mother thought to us. And the fifth said very interesting. He said that I am tiptwite. They said by expressly that I am tiptwite. What the things happened? That the fathers of the daughters note that all had a lisp problem, and they just revoked, they just cancelled the marriage agreement when he did earlier. Then the moral of the story is, if they had stayed silent for just 1 to 2 seconds, because in 1 to 2 or in 1 or 2 seconds, it might be possible that the girl's father has gone away from their house. Their marriage might have happened, but they couldn't not stay silent, and because of that, everything got cancelled. That's why we must learn speaking, but simultaneously we must know that sometimes silence can give the favorable consequences in favor of us. Thank you.